figure out a way to create a digital product, like a PDF or a spreadsheet or a template or a something, and figure out what expertise you have that other people would find valuable that you can sell for $10. You're trying to create a $10 PDF or a $10 ebook. If you have any shred of life experience and you had a gun to your head and that the gunman with the gun said, you have to write a 5,000 word ebook in a weekend or something, but it can be on anything you want, you'd probably find a way to write a 5,000 word ebook on anything you want. Now in that world where you have a 5,000 word ebook on anything you want, you could probably find a way to sell it to friends and family for like $9 or $10. Like, that's a easy enough way to get started with stuff. Ask yourself, what are you good at? What are the sorts of things that your friends come to you for advice on? You could probably sell that as a service where you're training someone how to do the thing over a Zoom call. It doesn't have to be for a lot of money. I have a friend who's a lawyer. He could either sort of tutor kids for their interviews for law school. He could do that for like, I don't know, $20 an hour over Zoom. If he wanted to do like contract reviewing, he could do a service where it's like, hey, I'll review any kind of contract for you for, I don't know, $100 or something like that. Like you can always find a way to turn whatever expertise you have into like a valuable like Zoom call for someone else, and then you can charge for that Zoom call. I think that's another very quick, easy thing to do. The thing is, like, making that first $1,000 is really easy. Anyone can do it. Getting to 100,000 is really hard, and that's when you have to start to actually add value and figure out like something that the market actually wants. But even if you have something that the market doesn't actually want, given enough time with enough hustle, anyone with a pulse could just make the $1,000, right? So it's that's the easy bit. So I would say if you're in this journey of trying to get rich, start with the first $1, then the next 10, then 100, then 1,000. And by that time, you'll learn so much about the process of how to make money on the internet that hopefully you'll then be able to survive years in the trenches going from 1 to 100K. All right, thank you so much for watching this little clip. And if you enjoyed this video, then firstly, you should totally check out our Lifestyle Business Academy. There's details down below if you are interested. Or alternatively, if you would like to continue browsing some videos, check out this video right over here, which should be helpful for you in your journey.